Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel One to Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to hide your total playtime for any game in Steam. Now let us begin. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply look at the top left. You will see a button like this called as Steam. Simply click on it right now. And once you do, among all these settings, all you guys have to do is go to settings, click on it. And from here, initially what you guys will be in is the account tab. Well, we do not need to shift anywhere else. Right here, you can see a button like this that says privacy settings. Click on it. And as such, you will be redirected to the privacy tab. From here, do note that my basic details are public. And if I just scroll down, right here, as you can see, my game details are on friend only. But right now, I want to hide my total playtime. Well, it is quite easy. Simply toggle on this checkbox right here. Else, if you want to completely hide it, change it from friends only to private. That is it, guys. That's how we hide your total playtime in Steam. It is quite easy. If you guys found this video informative and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.